So my name is Chad Hazelbaker, and I'm the president here at Northland Pioneer College. And it was about 26 months ago that one of my very first activities at the college was being here for the groundbreaking. And so it's nice to actually being here. So I can say in my first 26 months, I got one thing done, which, believe it or not everybody can say. But first of all, our internal staff, without whom we really couldn't have made this happen. David Hewish, the Director of Construction, Justin White, Director of Facilities and Transportation, Frank Pinnell, who has ascended to become the Director of CTE Program and Development and Sustainability, Randy Hoskins, Welding Faculty, Sammy Harris, Automotive Faculty, Jeremy Razor, the Dean of CTE, Mataria Ellison, the Vice President of Administrative Services, and former board member James Madison, who's here with us today. Please thank them for me. So at this time, I'd like to bring forward some very important people to do our official ribbon cutting. So first, from the Northland Pioneer College board, Mr. Frank Lucero, Mr. Everett Robinson, and Chair Christine Laughter, if you could join me. Former board member James Madison, if you could join us up here. And then I'd like to invite Randy Hoskins, Welding Faculty, Sammy Harris, Automotive Faculty, and Frank Pinnell, Director of CTE Program Development and Sustainability. I don't know who just got the big applause. Oh, I've never gotten that kind of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the facility. Please come into these doors. You can take tours of automotive and welding. The first door down there, we have some refreshments provided by the house. And you can also learn about our energy and industrial technology program. And believe it or not, some of the most impressive parking in the city of Show Low is behind this building, so make sure you make it all the way back there. Thank you very much for coming out.